today, the biggest thanks is for the unit of Sogadu and my other heroines ikkadunnaru. P. Shushila garu, our singer, was there. I really want to thank them and all the actors, actresses, technicians who made Sogadu such a big hit and such an important film for us. Thank you, Jay Chitra garu. Thank you, Jay Chitra garu. And all the other actors, not for this film, for other films, but for this, both of you. Shobhan Babu garu, Balamurgan garu, the writer, Johnson garu, Murli, one of the assistant co-directors, is here. All the other technicians who are not there anymore, Vincent garu, Hiralal Master. I remember quite a few of them. Cinema was a film that Suresh Productions restarted with. Malli 1964 Suresh Productions banner pettam. In between, మేము మధ్యలో వేరే సినిమాలతో బ్యానర్లో సినిమాలు తీసాం. Then again, this film in 1975, నాన్న మళ్ళీ సురేష్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ పెట్టారు. It was quite an important film, very, very dear to my father and to all Shobhan Babu fans. It was a very, very big film. అంటే ఆ రోజుల్లో ఇండస్ట్రీ రికార్డ్స్ అవన్నీ ఊరికే కొట్టేసింది అనుకుంటాను. అంటే the joy of seeing them all today is really fantastic. నేను few days ago I saw the film again. కొంచెం parts చూశాను. How well both Jay Chitra garu and Jay Sudha acted, so endearing. And so Shobhan Babu was so honest. That character was so written with so much of honesty. And అందుకనే ఆ సినిమా అంత పెద్ద హిట్ అయింది and it became one of his best films. నాకు మామూలుగా I don't like to reminiscent in the past. To stay in the present is what I want to be. But today when I came here and I saw all of you, it's so endearing, and thank you all. Indaka baby Rani came and said she is there. So nice, Amma. I remember Pap Kosam. All of you, Roja Ramani garu, Radhika, Prabha garu. I think Sumalata garu, you didn't work with us, or you didn't work with Suresh Productions? You did? Everybody else is there, Y. Vijay garu. It's so nice to see all of you, Andy. Thank you all so much for making our lives so good through our films. Indaka P. Shushila garu paartunnappudu gaani, when you see her, the joy she is given to so many of us. Ippudu kuda aa paatlu paartunte, the value of art, value of song, value of film, the joy that it brings us, it's very, very nice. And it's nice that ఈ శోభన్ బాబు ఫ్యాన్స్ వీళ్ళు అంటే హింస పెట్టలేదు పాపం, వాళ్ళ ప్రేమతోటి వచ్చి చేస్తాం అన్నారు. వాళ్ళే పాపం బాగా కష్టపడి చేశారు. విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ అండి. కీప్ డూయింగ్ ద గుడ్ వర్క్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్.